Hi there, my name is Jason Connor and I'm at David Bruce Cadillac. Today we are going to talk about the 2021 Escalade. It's a brand new vehicle for Cadillac. It's awfully gorgeous. Take a look behind me here. It's completely redesigned for this year. Right here in front of the vehicle you can see the bold stance, the aggressive look with the grille, our Cadillac emblem up here in the front. Also too, you'll see our distinguished headlights here too. Notice the detail in here, it even says Cadillac right in here. These LED lights are brighter, beautiful, and very distinguished. When you're coming down the road, you'll definitely see them and know it's a Cadillac when you see it. If you look closely enough too, in the back of our dash, there's even a Cadillac emblem there that shows on the back of the dash. I really like this vehicle. It's got a really bold, aggressive look. It's a favorite. This one has the optional power running boards on it. Notice how that opens up and it closes once you get in and out of it there. It has the 22-inch chrome wheels. So we're in the interior of our new Escalade. Lots of changes for this year. One of the most feedback people like most is just take a look at this dash here. I have a true view of looking out. It's a crystal clear picture that shows us outside here. And I also have my navigation screen here, very easy to operate. I have heads-up display in this model, and I also have a true real-time rear view camera image up here too that I can look behind me. Notice the wood trim throughout the vehicle, and on this one too, it's black, but notice the white trim throughout. You can even see the speakers in the headrest here with our AKG sound, our radio system. The AKG radio system is the premium sound here for Escalade, and it gives us a gorgeous, beautiful sound. Also above here too, we have a panoramic moonroof up here, okay? So I have a very large view, open feeling inside this wonderful vehicle here. Also in here I have my controls, so I can use my radio here and my navigation and phone controls and some other features to operate on my Cadillac. It comes with memory seating, and I even have height control on this model as well. We have a couple of different ways to open up our trunk space. One is real easy. If you notice right here on the ground, as I come up to the vehicle with my key fob with me and the doors are locked, the hologram will display right here. So what I'm going to do, real simple, go to the left of it, back and forth, the lights will flash and the vehicle will go up. So once I'm in the vehicle, I can power shut it here, or I could walk up again and use the kick motion, which is very simple, straightforward. The other way to open up the hatch is by pushing on the Cadillac crest just like this. And this powers up as well. And if I need to, if I just want to pop open the glass, there's a button over here in the far right. That pops and releases it. Now I can just simply go into here, placing items back and forth through here. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. And thanks again, Jason Connor at David Bruce Cadillac, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty.